In this video, you're going to learn how to create your very first React application. We'll be using Create React App, which is a tool that will help us generate a new React project. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, especially for web and mobile applications. React is component-based. Build reusable user interface components. It uses a virtual document object model for efficient updates and rendering. React is declarative, which makes it predictable and easy to debug. Before we begin, there are a couple of things you'll need to have installed on your computer. First, you'll need Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment. It's required for NPM and React tooling. Make sure you have version 14.0.0 or greater. You'll also need NPM, which is the Node package manager. It comes bundled with Node.js. Ensure that you have version 6.0.0 or greater. Create React App is an official tool that sets up a modern React application with zero configuration required. It has a pre-configured build setup, a hot reloading development server, ESLint integration, and a testing framework included. To create your React application, run the command npx create-react-app, followed by the name you want to give your application in your terminal. Replace my-first-app with your desired project name. This command downloads and sets up everything you need to start building your React application. During the installation process, Create React App downloads packages like React, React Document Object Model, and Build Tools. It then creates a project folder with your specified app name. It sets up the file structure with all necessary files and folders and installs dependencies, getting everything ready to start coding. This process typically takes 2 to 5 minutes, depending on your internet connection. To run your React app, first, navigate to your project folder by typing cd, followed by your app's name. Then, start the development server by typing npm start. Your app will automatically open at http://localhost:3000. Congratulations! You have created your first React application. Next, explore project structure to understand the files and folders created. Modify app.js to build your first component. Learn React concepts such as components, props, state, and hooks, and finally create your first real React application. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.